Okay, let's make a video about the RAM modules. At the moment the computer have only one stick of RAM and we're gonna test it. It's not working now. I will press the power button here. Okay, it spins. Okay, it did started. Now I am going to shut down the computer. And we'll add some additional RAM stick, this Yongsheng, and also this one module. Okay. Okay, so I will now start the computer again. You see, it is beeping like crazy. Very angry beeping. And it's not starting. Now I will shut down the computer and add another stick of RAM. Okay, so now I will remove the first one stick because it's mine. Okay, this one is out. And we're gonna add the next one. This one. Okay. Oops. Okay, the second stick. Okay. And the system is not starting, only beeping, and as you can see, only a black screen. Thank you.